Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you cleaning up some space? In this video, you will learn how to delete a Trello board and tidy up your workspace with this simple guide. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. It is well known the fact that with the default normal free account that you will get once you create your account on Trello for the first time, when it comes to boards, it's very annoying since you will have a limit on the board that you can create. But to like basically prevent that, sometimes you will have to get out of the way the old board that you have been using, so you can free up some more space for the new ones. In this video, we will learn together how we can delete those. First of all, we have to create that board first. So let me just create it very simply here, and let's name it "You will be deleted soon." Create, and here I am. So this is the board. Here, as you can see, you can view all the boards. Here you can see the members, and basically a couple of other things on the left. But basically here on the right, you have these 3 points. So here, you will have a couple of options. You will have about this board, activity, archive items, and basically a lot of things. One of them is basically close board. Now, close board doesn't mean necessary that basically the board is basically like removed, but it is just closed. You can be reopening it whenever you want to make changes. Now, once we have like closed it, that doesn't mean that you have deleted it. So it is still here. So it's taking space in our workspace. So how can we permanently delete it so it doesn't really annoy us as it do in our workspace? Yeah, we need to get rid of it. So to do so, we'll basically go into it. You will be deleted soon. Yeah, this one. So once you click on close board right over here, you will have this message. You can find and reopen close board at the bottom of your boards page. So now I have closed it. Now if I want to Trello normally, and here you will find here view closed boards, and once you go to it, you can actually delete it. So this is a way that with it you can actually delete your own board. So just like that, I can delete every single board. There's other way to do so. Let me just show you real quick once I have deleted everything here, so you can get the confirmation. So here it is. I have deleted every single board, and now you will be deleted is no longer available for me. Let me just create a new one, and here you will be deleted too. Create, and here I am. Now how can I delete this from this area? Well, basically I'm going to click right here, go close board, close, and basically I'm going to click on permanently delete board. After I click on close, this message will allow me to this will allow me to click here. So after that, the board has been successfully deleted from our workspace. So these are mainly the 2 main methods that with them you can actually delete your boards. Make sure view close boards. As you can see here, the boards that you have deleted are not here anymore. Sometimes you will miss them, so make sure to click there to check. There must be like a bug or something like that. It's just software, so there might be sometimes when you get like a bad internet connection or bad server time, you might have some accident. So when you try to create a new board, it will still tell you that you still have the board. So make sure to check everywhere, refresh the page, check the cookies, and basically click on view closed board to make sure that every single board that you have deleted is basically confirmed that it has been deleted. So let's make sure that we have everything settled down, and let's make sure that we have a quick recap before we end this video. So to delete board on Trello, you need first to go to that specific workspace where you have the board. Here I have this workspace. Now normally you would have multiple ones with the premium version if you had the one already. So here, as you can see, I'm on my workspace. Everything's simple, nothing weird about it. I'm going to a board that I have already, or one that I will create. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go right here to this top right corner, but not totally the top, but yeah, you understand it. So as you can see right here, and then click on close board. There is archived items where you can find everything that you have deleted within the board. For example, I can archive this. So by archiving it, it will be here. So I can basically switch it on, back and off, back and off. So this is where it can be basically. And if I want to close the board, simply click right here, close, and basically permanently delete, and it will be deleted permanently. The other way, of course, is the same, which is basically by going to boards and checking the view closed boards. Here you might find some boards, and you will find the red button that says delete board. Simply click right on it and it will be deleted. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you had any mistake or problem, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section so I can read it and make sure to answer it in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys a lot. See you guys in the next video.